So I recently picked up the Thermaltake 600-watt power supply, and today we're going to do a super quick unboxing, then I'll show you guys this installed inside of a PC. Alright, so on the top we're going to get our paperwork, user guide, warranty information. Here is the PSU. So it looks pretty clean, minimal branding, there's just a little bit of plastic we need to peel there. The back, the switch feels pretty good, so we're going to plug it in. And all the cables look really clean and nice. Of course, the main 24 pin has this cover on it, so that helps clean it up a little bit. But all the other cables are just plain and simple. We also do get a power cable inside the box, and that's basically it. So let's go ahead, throw this in the PC and see how it works. All right, guys, so the PC is basically done. So there's the back of the power supply, and the cables were all super long, so no issues there. And plus I used the cable extenders, but everything's nice and easy to read. Everything's labeled. I was able to bunch up most of those wires and throw them in that hard drive case. But you guys can barely see the branding now on our Thermaltake PSU. But so far I've been pretty happy with it. I'm running a 5060 and then a Ryzen 5 5600, and it's been powering all of that just fine, no issues. And I even overclocked the graphics card and the CPU, and so far no issues. So I'm really happy with this. If you guys do want to stick to a white theme or just a different color theme, you guys could still just use cable extenders so that you guys don't have to see the actual cables from the PSU. So anyways, that's it for my really quick review of this power supply.